about your love. I'm gonna make you mine. There's something special about your love. I think it's one of a kind.
Good morning, lovelies. I am back in the studio. Just organizing again. But it's like early afternoon. It's raining, it's cold.
Message Dad, or you want me to message him?
Huh? Oh, I'll message him. You can message him, it doesn't matter. Yes, so back in the studio, organizing. These are all our non-products. Organize again. Dan is next door in the guest room. He is going to put together, or we are going to put together, our guest room bed frame. We have yet to order the mattress, but that will come. That will come in time. So Kellan's birthday is in a couple weeks. That planning is going on right now. We have some friends and family that will be visiting, so we need a bed. So yeah, so we started with the bed frame. The mattress will come once we order it. But yeah, so today is Wednesday, cold and rainy. Very like Seattle or like London, kind of like gray and cold and bleh. And yeah, you're like, oh, there's like sun behind you. No, if you looked outside, you'd be like, yeah, it's bright, but it's really not that bright. I know it's showing up as nice looking in the camera, but it's not. It's cold and gray. But yeah, I kind of have a low energy. It's one of those mornings. Dan worked Monday, Tuesday. This is his one day off. He's going back to work on Thursday, so that's tomorrow. And then he's off Friday, Saturday, and maybe Sunday, because I'm supposed to work Saturday night, and then he's supposed to work Sunday day. So I don't know what we're gonna do with Kellan, so has to change. But yeah, so that's kind of what we're doing today, building a bed. And anything else that happens, kind of just organizing. Still organizing, still moving and making this rental comfortable. You could hear Dan going back and forth, but yeah. Do you want to see the bed? You want to see? I'm sure you want to see the bed. Let's look at the bed, or the pieces of the bed. So this is the bed frame. We ordered this off of Amazon. I will include the link when we finish making the bed. You're like, wow, I like the bed. I want that bed. So yeah, the brand is Zinus. Z-I-N-U-S. They come with little ratchets and like all the stuff, but it's like one of those like build a bed type things. That's the brand. Looks really pretty online. I haven't seen any of the wood pieces yet. Then open those up, but it will kind of go with this motif. I'm considering painting these. I'm spray painting them black, a matte black. I really love the like postmodern century. Oh, this is the color. It actually doesn't match that well. But it's kind of close. I actually thought they were going to be individual slots, but it's like one board. Interesting. But it's like this, you know, solid wood. It's like really good handmade, really good like wood furniture. Our other mattress is made with the same material.
Okay, so it always ends up that I'm kind of hands off with this stuff, and I don't think Lisa's super bothered by it, but I don't think Lisa likes that either. I don't like it because it kind of makes it seem like when we get something, Lisa puts it together and I go watch the baby or do something else in the meantime or whatever. And that could just be like, yo, you're the man, you should be putting things together or whatever. But I decided, there we go. So let me say the quite fatal words. How hard can it be? Right? So let's see what's gonna happen with that. Right now, this is what we have going on. Lisa's gonna go lie down. So I'll check back with you guys and tell you a time check. It is currently 1:50. Let's see how much progress I get done and how long it takes to get there. Okay, so the bed has been built. I'm not gonna act like this is some big huge achievement. It's something that took an Allen wrench and a couple of couple of minutes to do, but I did it, which is something that I don't usually do. I actually, weirdly, as small as it is, look forward to Lisa getting up. Of course, she'll probably inspect it and try the Allen wrench on different parts of it, but I'm never offended by stuff like that. What I would say, one of the things that I will say though, actually weirdly, I just wanted to say, I plan to put, or maybe have us buy a nightstand for this room and put in here, and that will be all the furniture for this guest room. We're still waiting to hear back from my brother-in-law about whether or not we can get a mattress. There's a special mattress that we like to buy, and he's not directly the connection for it, but it's a long haul thing I won't get into. But yeah, so I'm waiting to hear back from my brother-in-law on whether or not we'll get that mattress that we have in our bed here, or if we're just gonna go with another mattress. In the meantime, as silly as it seems, I think I'm just gonna put the air mattress on it just to have the finished effect. One of the things that is, but it also depends on how much noise it makes, because Kellan is sleeping and he should be getting up soon, so I'm gonna go try wake up Lisa before he wakes up. It did take way longer than I expected. It's like 3 almost now, like 3:45 now, but to be fair, I need to work on my time management. I was watching YouTube videos, chilling, getting distracted, doing all kind of nonsense other than working on it. So it's not like this task took 2 hours to build this thing. It was just me wasting time. Yeah, it's my day off after working 2 back-to-back day shift 12s, but still, I need to be better about that to be able to enjoy my time off rather than wasting it in the ether of just watching social media videos. Obviously, I'm making a social media video, so I'm not knocking watching social media here and there and kind of vegging out, but there's a difference between that and gaining something from that and just spending hours doing that and getting absolutely nothing back from it. Why does this always happen? It doesn't matter what time of day it is, they're always making the maximum amount of noise depending on when someone is sleeping, and it's not always construction, but it is what it is. Anyway, so I'm going to get the air mattress blown up if it doesn't make too much sense and go wake up Lisa.
I think it's one of a kind. There's something special about your love. I want it all.